out, look out.
Damn, that's crazy. Yeah,
he did. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, he tore that side up though. You hit him hard?
Yeah.
You need a new bed. New bed.
Door too. The door messed up too. They need a new cab, I think.
You got that on video?
Yeah.
Be on the drone.
Yeah.
Is the truck good? He good. He ain't wrecking no bad shit, did he?
No, not that I know of.
I know he just tapped the wall. I don't think that he, you know what I'm saying?
The dude hit it.
Yeah, the dude hit the side though. You can tell he pushed the side of that bitch in. Yeah, he hit the side of that bitch. He pushed that bitch in. And he hit the wall on the other side. That's why they need to start letting these goddamn bitch high cars cut these regular prep track.
Hey, that's real talk, man.
That's real talk.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
What the other car?
Hey, go back, see. I think he went to tire shake.
That's just like when John Gibson went down there in South Carolina.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too. Look out, look out.